Good day, Divergence traders. If we thought yesterday was bad, oh my God. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at it. Oh, it's just like they have no fucking mercy. They have no mercy, man. They just want to fucking kill you. Kill, 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 kill. Kill again, kill again, kill, kill. And finally it went up because they always do that. This is a famous play right here, ladies and gentlemen. They'll chop you up forever for at first for they used to do it for 20 to 30 minutes. Like 10 to 10, like it was like right down to the time. 10 to 10 the same old friend from Bahamas he called it GAN times. That's what he called it. That's right. It's coming back to me now. There was the GAN times where the market would go down from the open, and then there was another thing after 10 minutes or some shit, or maybe 2 minutes, I don't know, and it'd go the other way, and then go the other way, then go the other way. They called it GAN times. Whoever GAN is some guy who used to trade this fucking monster. It's a fucking monster. It's just chewing you up. I lost 100 points in here. And then I said, oh, I recognize what they're doing. And I got in. It was like right here. I got in. And I didn't chicken out when it did this little dip down. I didn't chicken out. And it just took off like a rocket after that. That's what they usually do. They chop you up, and then later on, they start taking it up, and then they take it higher and higher. Sometimes, not always. It stopped again right here. Motherfucker. Sorry, I got my cough drop in my mouth, but as soon as I saw this right here, I went, oh, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Don't trade the fucking open. It'll kill you. It will kill you. Sorry, I don't mean to sound so negative, but look what they did here, man. Look at it. Motherfucker. They got so many traders losing on these moves right here. But you know where and that's the 2-minute chart. Look, see? 2-minute chart. And you know what I should have been trading? The 1 minute. Oh my God. I don't even want to trade this shit anymore. Look at all the nice divergence here now. Jesus. See? I'll just mark them all on here for you first. And then, yeah. Then I'll finish with them. Lower lows? Yeah. Buy it in here, up it goes. Sell it here, down it goes. Buy it in here, up it goes. See that? So easy if you would have put it on the 1 minute. See that shit? I wanted to sell in here, but I said the fuckers are probably going to take it up. And they didn't. And they took it down. Then they took it. Then right here is a fucking, you know, a hook down right there. Yep. See that shit? Look at that beautiful shit. Yeah, I drew these lines here for when it broke them, but they broke them. See? Just a couple ticks right here. They broke them again. Up here, couple ticks. They broke this channel, and that's it. And then they take it back down. Then they take it back up. And they fuck you. That's what they do. They're just fucking everybody, stealing their money. This is piss poor fucking price action. Look at it. It's shit, man. It's done on purpose, man. It's manipulated. I'm telling ya. Anyway, I was lucky. I lost 90 points or 90 ticks, whatever you want to call them. And then I got them back in this run right here. I was lucky. I actually made 33 ticks, but I didn't because there's commissions and whatever. There's a buck. I pay $1.20. I don't pay commissions. I pay all the other fucking shit, whatever it is. And that fucking racket too is fucking. They're charging too much. They can't really go up too much more from here because people are going to be pissed. You know. You know what the standard used to be? $60 round turn. So if you traded with a futures broker in the past, like me, it's 30 per side, $30, $60 round turn. RT, they used to call it, round turn. And what they mean by round turn is you pay when you get in and then you pay when they kick your losing ass out. You know what I'm saying? But before I get back into this, I just want to say I was so fucking green back in, what year was that? It had to be 2001. Yeah, it was 2001. And how I got into trading was, first I got this book from Ken Roberts. Some of you may have heard of this guy. The guy with the fucking cowboy hat telling you can make all this money in cattle. Yeah, whatever, Ken. Whatever. Anyway, that got me very interested in trading. And then late at night, I was watching those infomercials back then, and they had this infomercial to trade futures. And the name of this company, and I think the guy was a Canadian, fucking scammer Canadian. They charged me $230 round turn to get in a fucking trade. Can you believe that? $230. That's how fucking green I was. I didn't know nothing about nothing. And I went in there and I bought some fucking gasoline options and lost money. And then I traded at Aileron Trading, and I would always do market orders, and they would steal money from me, like 50, 75, 100, sometimes $200 on a trade. They would steal it because they would grab your market order, they'd fill it at a whatever, a low price, like maybe a quarter of a cent or half a cent or whatever, and they'd make money on it. But me, they would give it to me back. They would sell it back to me, okay, at a much higher price, where they made money without the fucking order even going in the fucking market. It was just shuffled through these fucking fuck-ass floor traders, okay, that stole my money. Yeah, over and over and over again. Connection lost now, again? That did that yesterday, too. What the fuck is going on with that? That's a surefire sign, don't trade. Yeah, they fucking... It just disconnected. Why is it disconnecting? I'm going to have to call them after I get off this video. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Look what it's doing now. It's chopping sideways in a range, in a channel. Fucking assholes. Anyway, that's my story from 2001 to 2004. I traded at Aileron Trading, and then in the end, Aileron Trading was cheating people or cheating whatever. I don't know. They cheated me, of course. And yeah, they got shut down by the government. They went out of business because they were crooks. So they sure did have some great analysts, though, of the markets. Like they had a really good oil analyst, Tim Hannigan, the guy I used to trade with. He would do the grains, the corn, the wheat, the soybeans. Yeah. So that was a long time ago. Yeah. 24 years ago, 25 years ago. Crazy world. Wherever there's money, people are trying to steal it. Never forget that, folks. And today they were stealing money all fucking day long. All day long. Well, that really sucks. This fucking thing just lost connection again. Why did it do that? I don't know. The only way I fixed it yesterday is I had to shut the whole platform down and restart it again. Anyway. Really funny too, my chart's ticking away here. Like everything's fine. But I don't have any connection. I have a red light. That means no connection. Fuck. Anyway. Okay, let's get back to this. So anyway, I lost in here and I was lucky. I waited to go through all this shit and I got in, and of course it did the opposite of what I thought it was going to do, and lost 90 points, and then I made it back in here, luckily, and I ended up making 33 fucking lousy ticks. What the fuck am I going to do with lousy ticks? Yeah, it's on the MNQ, so I made 33. I didn't even make $33. I had to pay the commissions on the trades. Anyway, okay, so that's enough of this shit, I guess. Now we're going to look at MetaTrader. Oh yeah, it's going to new highs now. Where the fuck is MetaTrader? Right here. That's you know, I'll still say this to you. I think you'd be better off if you're not going to join the imaginary TA, Traders Anonymous. You know what that means, right? That means just let it go, stop trading, go back to your life again. Yeah, okay. If you're not going to do that, I urgently stress to you, you should go and trade something else, like gold or oil, I don't know, something. Don't trade the fucking NASDAQ, because it's just going to steal your money every fucking day, nearly every day. Yeah, we even have one streamer, he's not even streaming, because he can't win, he's doing horribly. He did really well for the longest time. Yeah, it's... And I was watching some of these guys, I'm not mentioning any names, and sometimes they would make this money and whatever. I said, oh, it's just fucking dumb luck. And now that they're starting to lose, because that's what usually happens with traders who stream live and trade, they lose. That's why I don't fucking stream. I just shoot my channel of the setups and hopefully you can learn from them. But they fucking lose. So it's like I said to myself, how are they doing this? And then I started watching them. And I know how they're doing it. They have some dumb luck up their fucking... They have a horseshoe up their ass sideways. That's what they have. And they're making some money. They just happen to have some fucking... Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of like you can play this game. You can flip a fucking coin. Oh, okay, I'm going to buy heads. Heads I buy, tails I sell, right? And that's it. Just flip a fucking quarter. And do your trade. And probably in 50% of the time you're going to win. Just make sure your winners are bigger than your losers. And you'd be okay. Okay, let's get back to this here now. Jesus. Okay, here it is. Look at this fucking barcode right here. Another barcode on an up climb. Yeah, they just fucked everybody, man. See, they knew there was stops under here. See, they took it down and got them. And then they took it down here again. And they made it look like they were going to take it down. And there's probably people selling down there thinking, oh, I hit the jackpot. No, you didn't. And then it went up. Yeah, and back down. And back up. Yeah, they're just fuckers. Anyway, this is the NASDAQ. I'm not fucking gonna mark anything on there. There's nothing to mark. It's just a fucking... It's just a bloodbath of them taking your blood right out of your veins. That's what they're doing. Oh, look at this. This is the S&P. It wasn't so choppy on the S&P. This is the 5-minute. There's no divergence here, though. Yeah. Okay, Dow. What about the Dow? Oh, Dow has a trade. Dow has a nice trade. Okay. Where did I see that? Oh, right here, right here. Just like that. Now see the right side? It's bigger than the left side. So that means, see, this one going this way, this one going down. That's hidden divergence, okay? There's the trade. There's the trade, ladies and gentlemen. Pound dollar. Oh, fuck. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, they're collecting money today, man. I'm telling you. Somebody's cheating here, doing something. I don't know, like they're getting really bad right now. I guess because Trump got in, right? Trump's president now. They're pissed. This is what they're giving us. Yeah, I think you should try and trade something else. I don't know. I think we should all join TA, Traders Anonymous. that's your bet. That's your sure bet. Not even the prop firms are worse. The prop firms. Forms, I called it forum platforms. No, the prop firms are even worse because before you even look at beginning to make a profit, you got to make 200%. You got to make 3,000 on a 50K account. Your stop is only 2,000. This is how, in reality, okay, if you're going to trade, if you're going to have access to mini lots, you know, the mini ones, the ones that add up real quickly when you get into them, yeah, those ones. Think about it. You need 2,000 fucking dollars. I mean, you need 10,000 minimum, maybe even $20,000 to trade that, so you could withstand the losing trades. Not 2,000. Do you know how quick you can go through 2,000? I think you do, and that's why 99% of the people who trade these prop firms, they lose money. They lose their money. They blow up the account. What happens when they blow up the account? Well, they lose $49. If they got to the next stage where they put in the activation fee, well, there's another fee that's even bigger than the fucking initial fucking cost of $49. Then you got to pay another, you know, some are 100, some are 150, maybe some are 200. I don't fucking know what the fees are, but they're big. So if you lose trying to, you know, hit their 5 days or whatever it is of $200+, you know, and you blow it up, then it's like you just gave them $300 fucking dollars or $200 for nothing. And you spent all that time concentrating and doing this and doing that, trying to, you know, make it that you reach a payout or whatever. And most people don't ever make it to the payout stage. It's very sad. Very sad. Anyway, think about that next time, you know, you want to do this. I think the best for most people, maybe even myself, the best thing to do is not trade. But you see, I have other investments that I'm doing extremely well on, and this here I just trade for fun. It's like a hobby, but it hasn't been fun lately because they've been really coming after us, you know, to fuck us and get the money from us. Like, look at this fucking shit. Look at this. Look at this. You know, how can you trade that? There's no trend. There's a trend over here, Trend here, but there's no fucking trend in here. So anyway, this is the pound dollar. I'll put on the trades for you. Double top. See that bottoming action? Yeah. Anyway, I still think you're better off to trade something else like gold or oil or I don't know, something. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Woo-wee. Is there news right now at 11:11? Oh, Trump's talking today at 11. Oh, are you not in the market? I hope you're not in the market because it just fucking came down. Oh, only 21 pips on the pound dollar. It looked bigger. What did it do on here? Oh, came down. 32 ticks, 32 points. Okay. Back to the pound. So anyway, it's just a mess. And look at the big spike down because Trump's speaking. Yeah, they come right underneath the orders here. They got your stops. They got your orders, and then they take it back up again. Yeah, they go, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Did anybody know Trump was speaking today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? Did anybody know that? Did anybody look at their calendar today? You got to look at the calendar. Look. Where is it? Come on. No, it's this one. This one. See? I clicked on it already, see? And made it black. President Trump speaks at 11 a.m. today. Right here. Did anybody look at this calendar before you traded today? If you didn't, that's a big mistake. You know, some of the simplest things that, you know, if you can't remember them as you're trading because you're concentrating on your trading, you got to write it down on a piece of paper or something, put it right in front of you and say, hey, there's news at this time, news at that time, news at this time. And then you don't trade then. I don't trade the news. I don't. I'm never in a trade during the news. I always get out. Most of the time I try not to trade before the news because I know, you know, like 5 to 10 minutes after the news, that's when the move happens. But yeah, you need to pay attention to that. You need to pay attention. Yeah. Okay, there's that one. We want this one. Oh, look at that, eh? Looks like a sword, eh? See? Touche. Okay, let's look at the euro. Yeah, same thing. Big fucking wick. I wonder what he said today. Oh, he had the meeting with the World Economic Forum. Those fucking bastards. Yeah. That forced people to take shots of lethal shit. Oh, yeah. Very lethal. Yeah. And I can't believe they're still pushing this. And people just don't know. People don't. They watch the news, the fake news, as President Trump calls it, and like this grocery store I go to, every time I go there, they start talking on the fucking speaker over the whole store. Oh, have you got your flu shot yet? No. Why would I do that? But that's what they're doing. They're still pushing it. It's unbelievable how they're getting away with it. It's unbelievable. What can you do? Okay, you would have sold it somewhere in here, and down it goes. Somewhere in there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Euro yen. That was the pound yen. There's no divergence here. Would have been a slow grind down. What did the EJ do? Oh yeah, they have divergence for sure. You can put it there. See the big blue mountain? Yeah, see right there? Yeah, see? That's hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. This is the one that took me years to learn it and see it and identify it. But I did learn it. Took me years. The easy to see divergence, like right here, higher highs, sell it down it goes, lower lows, buy it up it goes. Those were easy to learn. It's these hidden ones that are not easy to learn. Okay, let's look at oil. Oh, look at oil. Went down 97 ticks. Went down to 76, below $76 or 76. 76.50. Lower lows. Yeah. We'll get them. We'll knock them out. It would have got long right there, and it went up 40 ticks on the oil. Now the gold. Oh, look at the gold. Oh, the gold had a beautiful, beautiful trade right here. Yeah. Gold can be tricky too. Okay, but lower lows can be very choppy. And up we go on gold. There's 50 points there if you held it all through this. There's 90 points. I don't think you would have held it through here. See how we had a double top and there was divergence here? Here, I'll show you. See, and this was the entry right here to buy it. No, to sell it, to sell it. What am I talking about? It was to sell it. Sell it down, and it didn't go down. It went up. You would have lost on this trade. You would have got out right here. Losing trade. And that's it for the gold. That's it for all that markets that move or fucking kill you and twist you up and chew you up and spit you out. That's what they do. They're famous for it. Let's go back to the NASDAQ. Oh, barcode. Fucking barcode up here. Just like here. Yeah, all by design, ladies and gentlemen. All by design. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's going up. This is good. 105,000. There's a lot of Bitcoin haters. No. Let me rephrase that. There's a lot of people who trade futures and whatever. They just hate crypto. Oh, they hate it. They wish they knew how to trade it, probably. And it's very easy to trade it. You know why? Because it's like stock. You buy coins, digital coins. You never see them or touch them, or feel them or smell them. You can't do anything. It's imaginary. It's in the fucking internet, right? So as long as you hold on to them, you cannot, how would you say, you can't get a margin call to kick you out of the coins. You get to keep the coins until it's time that you want to cash in on them, or the ones that trade the meme coins and the shit coin. I call them all shit coins. There's thousands of shit coins out there, and they're no good. But I've been holding on to some coins for a very long time, and they never tried to kick me out. There's no margin. There's no margin call like fucking futures. No fucking margin call. Oh yeah. Anyway, Bitcoin's trying to go up. This is good. What about XRP? Oh yeah, it's lifting off there. See the wick on there? There, now you see it. See the wick? They're buying the dip. They're filling their orders. The big boys, they're filling their orders for much higher prices. There's some people who think it's going to go to 1,000 in the next, like this year. No, not 1,000, $100. And some people think it's going to go to 1,000, maybe by 2027, or something like that. I don't know. But it's a crazy market. They're crazy markets where they give you opportunity to make quick money like never before trading anything. It's really crazy because some of these coins, they start out at pennies, like not even a penny, like 1/10 of a penny, and it goes up to like wherever. Like I know someone, he's a streamer. I've been listening to his stream since 2017. He bought XRP at 2 cents, and he's held it all this time. And he bought it at 2 cents in 2013. I never even knew XRP existed till 2017, the big rally in 2017, where it went up thousands. So it's $3.15. This guy, he's still holding on to these fucking XRP coins that he bought at 2 cents. And it's now $3.15. Do you know how much fucking money that is? I don't know. I told you my story about crypto where I could have bought Bitcoin for $1, 2,000 of them, and how much fucking money would I have today? Oh, God. Makes me sick to think about it. I should never bring it up again. Fuck. Okay, that's XRP. Silver, it's come back down a little bit. Ethereum, yeah, there's Ethereum. Not doing much. And then the yen, the yen's coming back down. And the USDX, it's coming down a little bit too. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's my video today. If there was, in fact, a place where you could go and, and have donuts and coffee and, and have a meeting, a TA meeting, it would be a good thing to go to, because it would get you to stop trading the market, because especially when they move it up and down like they did today, it's just so controlled. It's manipulated. They're stealing people's money. That's what they're doing, and they're doing it, and then somebody's doing it on purpose. This doesn't happen from traders. I don't believe there's volume, all right, but I believe they're doing it on purpose. I really do. It's really sad, because think about it. It's the same thing as someone going in your purse, taking out money, going in your back pocket or your backpack and pulling out money out of your, it's the same thing. It's the same fucking thing. It's theft. Yeah. It's theft. And they're thieving. They're stealing your money. That's what they're doing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show today. I know I went on and on again today, but I just had to. It's just gambling at this point, ladies and gentlemen, trying to trade the fucking NASDAQ. It's just gambling. You're better off trading markets that don't move so fast. You know, like gold. See? Moves a lot slower, just moves, you know, in a little bit this way, a little bit that way, a little bit this way. See? You're better off trading this, gold or oil, than you are. You have a better chance at fucking passing your challenge, you know, your prop firm challenge, or making money with your own live account. It's up to you guys. I'm going to leave you with that. Okay, so thanks for watching and listening, and I really appreciate you coming out. I'm sorry to talk so negative about the market, but I'm not lying to you guys. I'm telling you the truth. So it's up to you whether you want to listen to my truth or not. You know, it's up to you guys. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.